All right, now we're going to learn about a new element called the A element or anchor element. This is used basically to link one page to another. So let's do that. So over here, I'm going to simply remove a lot of this code. So our page is simple, all right? It's easier for us to read the code, all right? And over here, I'm going to just simply create an A element. And inside, I'm going to put some text as children. So I'm going to say, click me, please. Now you notice that when I created this element, VS Code automatically pre-populated this particular attribute called href. That's how you say it. Now basically what happens is that whenever some user clicks on this particular text, it's going to go, this page is going to go to whatever is mentioned over here. So let's say if you want to go to google.com, I'm going to simply put in www.google.com. like such. Save, and I'm going to refresh, and you see this page is over here. Now if I hover over here, see on my footer it says the link, which is google.com. When I click over here, you see the loading sign, and now it goes to google.com. Here it is. Simple as that. Now this A element has multiple options. One is, let's say if I go back, and let's say if I want to open this particular URL in a new tab or a new window, right? Not the same page. There's an option for that, which is called target. So I do target, and the value you want to provide is blank, underscore blank, like such. Now when you do that, I refresh, and now when I click over here, you see it opened in a new tab. This is very handy. Let's say if you have a website and you want to link to external pages, let's say Google. So let's say you are on your homepage, which is your personal website, azizali.com, and you want to link to an external page. That is when this thing comes handy, and you do not want people to leave your website. This is actually not a good practice to, make all these links like that, but it's an option there, all right? Now, one more thing that I want to tell you is that you cannot just link from the A element to external pages, but it can also be internal pages of your website. So let's say I'm going to create a new page inside our website. I'm going to just simply create an about page, about.html, and over here, I'm going to simply write some basic HTML. I'm going to basically just copy this, paste it over here, and the title is going to be about, and I'm going to put in, this is my about page. All right, save. And now if I want to link from this page to the about page, I can simply create another link. And I'm going to mention the name of that location where this particular page lives. So since this page, the about page, is in the same directory as the index page, I can simply put in about.html. And I can say, go to about, save, refresh, refresh. Now you see the link is over here. Now if I click over here, it went to the about page. And from the about page, we can go back to the home page. So I'm going to create a link and say index.html. I'm going to say, go to home, save, refresh, and now go to home, goes over here. Go to about, goes over here. So that's pretty much it for this video about linking via the A element. And now in the next video, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this href linking strategy. All right, I'm going to talk to you in the next video.